We need your help. We, the regulatory scientists and researchers of the Harvard-MIT Center for Regulatory Science and the Jona Institute, need your support for research to improve regulation and regulatory transparency for all of us. How you can help us and how we will help you is what we will explain in this short video. We will keep this video brief and we will also ask very little of your time, but your input will make a big difference.
Okay, very briefly, what are we talking about? Many of you are familiar with the MDR and the IVDR drama. And you also know that the notified bodies are so overloaded that manufacturers can no longer get their products onto the market quickly enough. Therefore, they are losing sales, sometimes to an extent that threatens their existence. And last but not least, that the supply of some products is no longer guaranteed. You know all this. Unfortunately, so far there is no solution in sight. We appear to rather play the blame game, and we aren't seeing any proposed solutions.
At the same time, everyone has an opinion about what's wrong with medical device evaluation and regulation, and little evidence exists to inform what should be done. This is the evidence we are trying to create. Specifically, we want to understand and illuminate the factors that determine the duration of approval processes internationally. Because if we understand that, then we can go to the policymakers, such as the EU Commission and other stakeholders, and actually articulate the sticking points that need to be addressed. And that's the information, or as we would say, the regulatory science, that's needed to improve regulations and public policy.
Policymakers on both sides of the Atlantic are willing to improve the regulations. That's why they were all with us here at the World Medical Device Summit here in Constance, from the FDA to the EU commissions, to ministries, to authorities. But we need evidence, and for that we need data, and for that we need you. Therefore, we are asking you for a data donation. We have prepared an easy-to-use Excel file, which you can download directly. In this file, you will be asked to enter one line for each product. For each product, we are collecting data on some straightforward attributes, such as product type or the class, as well as information about the approval process, for example, under which directive or regulation a product was approved. We have created a data dictionary that explains each data field so that you have the big picture of the first of its kind database we are building. And you can see the link to this file down here. And for a quick overview, we have also created a one-pager that is summarizing the project and its goals.
So that's it. To summarize, we need your help in the form of a short and user-friendly contribution of data so that we can give legislators and policymakers the evidence they need to tweak our regulatory systems so that products can reach the market as efficiently as possible and so that we can all benefit. Please help us help you. We promise to use your time and your data donation well. Your generosity with a bit of both will help move science and regulation forward. Thank you.